Those are not the sounds of busy streets or city traffic. This is the beautiful symphony of the wild. The gentle sound of flowing streams blends with birds singing in the trees. A cool breeze carries the fresh scent of earth, leaves, and untouched forest. The moment you step into the forest, it begins to relax. The stress of everyday life slowly fades away. Nature has a remarkable way of bringing peace to the soul. Every journey into the forest is an unforgettable adventure. It is a chance to reconnect with nature and discover its hidden treasures. After the rain, young bamboo shoots begin to emerge. They hide quietly beneath layers of fallen leaves. Only experienced foragers know where to look. Finding a fresh bamboo shoot is always an exciting moment. Gently clearing away, the leaves reveal the tender green. With one careful cut comes a crisp snapping sound. A simple sound, yet incredibly satisfying. It is one of the most relaxing sounds the forest has to offer. Wild mushrooms also begin to appear after the rain. They grow beneath old trees and across the damp forest floor. Each mushroom feels like a special gift from nature. Collecting wild mushrooms requires experience and knowledge. Only safe varieties should be harvested. As we walk deeper into the forest, life can be heard everywhere. Birds call to one another. Insects create a gentle chorus. Leaves rustle softly in the breeze. The stream never stops flowing. Together, they create a natural soundtrack. A masterpiece that no studio could ever reproduce. Perhaps that is why so many people love the forest. Not to conquer nature, but to become part of it. To slow down and breathe fresh mountain air. To enjoy every peaceful moment. Every bamboo shoot collected is a reward for patience. Every step through the forest brings a new discovery. The deeper we go, the richer the sounds become. Every corner of the forest is alive. Nature speaks without using words. It invites us to slow down and simply listen. The peaceful atmosphere refreshes both body and mind. To breath of fresh mountain air feels like a gift. Far away from the noise of the city, time seems to stand still. Moments like these remind us how beautiful simplicity can be. The forest asks for nothing in return. It simply offers peace to everyone who enters. As the day comes to an end, our baskets may be full. But the greatest reward is the experience itself. The memories created here will last for years. And the soothing sounds of the forest will stay in our hearts. Listen carefully to the sounds of nature all around you. Breathe deeply and enjoy every minute. Because nature always has something wonderful to share. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next adventure.